Welcome to the video demonstration series for the Apollos Bible Software, a social network for research and collaborative learning. This software is designed both for individual and collaborative learning of the Bible. You can use it to read and take notes in the comfort of your living room, or you can use it in a social setting, a college class on the Bible, a Sunday school class, an online Bible study, or anywhere else people study the Bible together. In this series, you will learn to use the Apollos Bible, which is designed for reading and studying the Bible, the English Concordance, which allows you to study the Greek words that stand behind an English word in the Bible, the Greek Concordance, which allows you to analyze individual Greek words in context, the Data Miner, which allows you to create sophisticated searches of the data found in the Bible, and My Publications, which allows you to create your own publications on the Bible and to read and study the publications of other users. In this demonstration, you'll learn to use the Apollos English Concordance. The design of the page is very simple. There's a text box at the top, an accordion to the bottom with 5 panes, and a smaller accordion over to the right. All of our pages use this same basic format, and the smaller accordion at the top of the page is virtually the same in every page. We can begin by entering a word into the text box. Type a minimum of 2 letters and the text box will begin to generate a list. Let's type in the word faith, F-A-I-T-H, and you see that the list is reduced to 3 options: faith, faithful, and faithless. Let's choose faith. Now let's run through the panes on the large accordion. The first is the definition. The second pane is the distribution pane. On the left side of the page you see an interactive circular graph. On the right side of the pane is a list of all the places where the word occurs. The third pane is designed for analysis. You see on the left side an interactive bar graph. On the right side, every Greek word in list form. There is a pronunciation guide for those who don't know Greek, the number of times where this particular Greek word is translated faith, and a brief definition. The fourth pane is a list of occurrences of the word faith. And the fifth pane is a list of settings you can use to vary your display. Okay, now let's take a closer look at panes 2, 3, and 4. The first thing we'll do is, let's just select the word share for some variety. And we'll select the Pauline corpus from the circular graph, and we see now the list to the right contains each of the books in the Pauline corpus with the list of the number of occurrences of the word share. Go down to the analysis pane and we see now the Pauline corpus, so that now you see the occurrences of every Greek word in the Pauline corpus that is translated share. Over here is a list of the words. Down to the analysis or the occurrences pane, and we see now every verse that contains the word share. Now let's go back to the distribution pane, and from the list of books in the Pauline corpus, let's select Philippians.
And now we're taken immediately to the occurrences pane for a list of all the Greek words that are translated share in Philippians. And we see that there are several Greek words: koinonia, sugkoinonas, perisuo, koinonia, and so on. And back to the analysis pane, and we see, let's adjust this a little bit. The bar graph contains all of the Greek words in Philippians that are translated share. Now let's uncheck the word Philippians, and we're back now to the Greek words in the Pauline corpus that contain the word share. And what happens if we select one of the items in the bar graph? We go immediately back to the occurrences page, and we see this bar graph has 1 Corinthians and the occurrences of meteko. If we select the word meteko from the list, now we see not just the occurrences of the word meteko in 1 Corinthians, but all of the occurrences of meteko in the Bible that are translated share. Uncheck, and we're back to the original list. Check the 1 Corinthians bar, and now we see all of the words in 1 Corinthians that are translated share.